Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS QuickSight with Redshift for self-serve BI step by. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type Redshift and select Redshift from the drop-down menu. Choose Create Cluster to start setting up a new Redshift cluster. Fill in the cluster configuration details. Select your preferred database name, cluster identifier, and master username. Set the master user password. Ensure your node type and cluster type meet your requirements. Configure the VPC settings and security group rules for network access. Launch the cluster and wait for its status to change to available. Once the cluster is available, copy the endpoint URL from the dashboard. Next, navigate to the QuickSight service in the AWS Management Console. If you haven't enabled QuickSight yet, follow the prompts to set it up. Choose Manage QuickSight. Now, click on Data Sources. Log in using the master username and password you set for Redshift. Select the database you wish to analyze. Click Connect to establish the link with your Redshift database. After connecting, you will be taken to the data selection screen. Choose the tables you want to use for your reports and analyses. You can also write custom SQL queries if needed. Once you have selected the desired tables, click Save. Now, navigate to the Analysis section within QuickSight. Create a new analysis and select the data set you just imported. Use the drag and drop functionality to add visuals to your analysis. Customize your visuals with various options for charts, graphs, and tables. Once you are satisfied with your analysis, save it. You can share the analysis with other QuickSight users in your organization. To do this, choose the Share option and select the users or groups. Finally, your self-service BI setup with AWS QuickSight and Redshift is complete. You can now create reports or dashboards as needed, empowering users to gain insights from the data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.